So this is what's left of the 5 what originally booked to come on this trip. Various reasons they couldn't make it, mainly broken bones really. So today's ride, really been looking forward to this one. We're going to ride from Alins in Spain through to Andorra, the famous Smugglers Trail. As you go through Alins heading north, it's the last turning on the right. This church is a good landmark. First part of the trail is twisty tarmac. It's a very scenic, very nice ride, and there are some concrete sections as well, but eventually you'll get to the trail. A big thumbs up to this guy. He's riding a 1200 Triumph Adventurer, fully laden, 2 up. We've had some bad weather in the Pyrenees over the years, but this time, the whole week, sunny all the way. The downside is the dust. So we've started on the Smugglers Trail proper, and it's very dusty. Let my mate Phil get away. Don't want to be too close. Get yourself a coffee or a Coke at this little cafe.
So 3 lanes moving slow.
There's a ridge just off to the left of the trail. We thought we'd have a look up there before we turn and climb up to Andorra. Wow, come away from the edge. What a fantastic ride this really is. It's got to be done if you're ever in the Pyrenees. In actual fact, we came back 2 days later and done it again, the other direction. I mean, how else would you get all your duty free from Andorra back to Spain? From the Smugglers Trail, thanks for watching. Over and out.